Today we will talk about the installation of the sidebar of the LC250. First, let's start from the front of the car and talk about the order. First, find the large one. Which is the longer one? The passenger side is in this order. For the driver, it's just a matter of palm size. Mirror image is fine. Then there are two CNC ones. Then it's like this. Then these for blocks. These for modules are the same, which can be ignored. Then let's talk about this from front to back. The one with the engraving is at the front. Then there are two long strips. The longer one is in front, and the slightly shorter one is behind. And finally, there is a slope here. Is at the back. And for this pedal, the short one is at the back. The long one is in the front. Then the overall installation is to install the bracket first, after removing the original pedal. Install the bracket in this order. Just screw it on first. After screwing it on, don't tighten the screws. The screws you need are the largest screws in this bag, which may be white or black. From front to back, the two screws with the same distance. The screw holes are the same as the metal connector. And the bracket. The screw pitch is correct. The middle ones are these two. And then the back is this screw hole. Please pay attention, the other two screws at the back. You can tell them apart. After we install all four brackets, it is in a loose state. Then we can install the cover plate. Then, we use this M4 countersunk screw. And there is a countersunk hole. And then install it with the holes aligned. Okay, now we install this. The shield is installed. After installation, there is a detail that you need to pay attention to, that the arc must be the same, because the difference is very small. So you can compare it before installation. It is the same as this arc. If you install it upside down, it's easy to cause a dislocation. Just like this. It will be a dislocation situation that doesn't fit. Yes, after installing the bracket. Don't tighten it. Then install our pedal. Install it. First, fix the front two screws of the pedal. Tighten them. And then tighten the back, because it prevents it from tilting left and right. The screw we use is this M6. M6 by 10/16 screws. After tightening this screw, then tighten all the screws below. Then the installation of the entire pedal is complete.